Hello, it's Cassie here with Trinity Stamps, and I'm so excited to be sharing a product release video for April for the Greatest Friend on Earth release. Today we're going to take a closer look at the new Abracadabra stamp and die set. Abracadabra is a 22-piece 4x6 stamp set that enables you to make absolutely magical scenes. Bunnies popping out of hats, sawing the girl in half, and more. Coordinates beautifully with the curtain call layering stencil and center stage Slimline die set. Abracadabra also has a coordinating die set that is perfectly die cuts the images and sentiments in the 4x6 stamp set. So let's take a look at some of those images all stamped and die cut out. Not only is it the little people and our little bunny and hat, we also have words. I love that we have that, and it cuts out so many of those little elements. And you can take the little card and stamp hearts or spades or clubs or diamonds, and you'll have just a cute little magical scene. So let's go ahead and make a quick card. I went ahead and used the Slimline Burst Builder, which is new this month as well, and I cut it out of some dark cardstock and some light, like reddish pink cardstock, and I'm going to attach that down to a slimline panel that measures 3.5 inches by 8.5 inches. If you use this Slimline Burst Builder and cut it out twice out of whatever cardstock you're using, it will completely cover the whole front of a slimline card. So I'm just going to piece all those pieces together, and then we'll move on to the red-pink color that we have. I sort of have some like a flooring and then almost like our curtain in the background. But I'm just going to continue to glue all those until that scene is complete. I also pulled in the Magical Sentiments Stamps and Die that was a previously released stamp and die, and it goes so perfectly with this Abracadabra that I just had to pull it in. So I stamped out a couple sentiments, and then I even used the matching die for this to cut out the words magical. So we're going to start attaching our pieces using some liquid glue. I'll put the hat on top of the table and have the bunny coming out of the hat. We'll peel off the release paper because I did make it a sticker, and we'll put down the word magical, and then we'll put our bunny on there as well. We wanted to make sure everything would fit perfectly, and it sure does. And then I'll take those sentiments, so it'll say have a magical birthday, and I'll glue those next to the word magical. And then I have my other little pieces that we're going to put up there as well. We've got the word poof. I don't know why I'm so tickled that that is cut out as well. And then we'll put our little girl on there. And then we've got our magician. He is holding his wand, his magic wand. And then we have the word abracadabra that it cuts out. We'll put that next to our little guy. And then we're going to take the leftover pieces and attach those to the inside of our slimline card base. I'll put the little card in the bunny's hand like he's done a magic trick as well. I love this part where you've got the box and you can attach the girl's head. I'm only going to use one box, but if you use two, and I'll show you that later, you can make an interactive card where she actually is sawn in half. And you've got her feet and hands. How cute is that? So I'll stick her on the inside of our card with the stamped and cut out word ta-da, and then we'll put her little saw down below. And then we'll glue our panel to the front of our card base using that same liquid glue. And once that's all glued down, that is going to finish off this card for you. Do love how that turned out, and we are going to show you another card. The next card I share with you is interactive. If you use two of those boxes, you can make it look like that little girl is sawn in half. So I love how that one turned out as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at some samples that the rest of the team made. Such cute, cute samples. They are all just so much fun and show so many different possibilities with this one stamp set. So why don't you go ahead and check out Trinity Stamps blog, Facebook page, and Instagram for more crafty inspiration. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope you have a great day.